problem here when we're looking at is 1 over 3 divided by 8 over 2. So to do these questions, it's pretty simple. I'll show you right now. So first things first, you want to leave your first part of your problem as is. You want to leave it like that. Don't touch it. The next thing you're going to do is actually turn the division to multiplication, which I'm going to show you. Turn it into multiplication. But if you turn it into multiplication, you have to take the reciprocal of your second one. So what that basically means is you're going to switch numbers on the denominator and the numerator. So if it's 8 over 2, it becomes 2 over 8. Right? And now what happens is basically you multiply numerators together and you multiply the denominators together, as it's just general multiplication. So it becomes 2 over 24. Right? And now we can basically simplify this. 2 over 24, if we divide both 2 and 24, the top and bottom, we can divide both of them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So it just becomes 1 over 12. So that's your answer in this case. The answer is 1 over 12. So 1 over 3 divided by 8 over 2 is 1 over 12. All right. So we're going to do the same process for this question, but instead this one may look a little confusing since you have a mixed number here and improper fraction. But the essence of solving this stays the same. So if I have here 3 1/3 divided by 9 over 7, I want to try and turn this into an improper fraction. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1 is 10. So the answer is basically 10 over 3. So this one is as an improper fraction. 3 1/3 is basically 10 over 3. Is you basically multiply these together, and then you add this, right? And then you keep the same base. So I'm going to still keep it as division, right? I'm going to still keep it as division, so I'm going to do one step at a time. But now I'm going to turn it into multiplication. So if I have 10 over 3 divided by 9 over 7, I do 10 over 3 multiplied by, remember, we switch the second one, it becomes 7 over 9. Oops, that doesn't look too great here. 7 over 9. So then now what happens is we multiply everything here. 10 times 7 is 70, and then 3 times 9 is 27. Right? And now we have to see if we can simplify this further. So we can pull out our calculator here. So if I have check for factors, we can see that we practically can't simplify this further, but we could turn this into a mixed number. So to do that, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to, remember, always keep the same base. So my base stays the same as 27, right? Cool. But I want to see how many times 27 goes to the 70 without, going over the top. So 27 can go to 70 twice. So I put a 2 here, right? But what's left over from that is 16, right? 27 times 2 plus 16 gives us 70. So therefore, this is my final answer. All right. So this is my next question here. I have 1 over 7 divided by 2 over 3. Now I want you to try this on your own. If you can, pause the video, try it on your own. And yeah, once you've got the answer, I want you to come back and see if you guys did the same steps or if you guys got the same answer. All right. All right. So I'm going to do this right now, though. Okay. So here I have 1 over 7 divided by 2 over 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this the same, 1 over 7, right? And then I'm going to turn this into multiplication. It becomes 3 over 2, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that. 1 over 3, 1 times 3 is basically 3, and 7 times 2 is 14. Oops. 3 over 14. Now, we can see if we can simplify this further. Let's check if there's any factors. And let's see this. 2. We'll see that this is basically my answer, and there's nothing else to do. This is as simple as it can get, right? So yeah, this is basically how I can divide fractions. I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and share.